everyone on this Tuesday. Hope that it's off to a great start. Temperature-wise, it's off to a meh start out there. We do have numbers right around the mid-30s across the area, 37 in Lima. And elsewhere, we find numbers as low as 33 down in Sydney to as mild as 41 over in Kenton. But as we go through the day today, again, dramatic increase expected in these numbers as we are on our way to the lower to maybe even middle 50s by the time we finish this at morning or later this afternoon. Now, satellite and radar shows lots of clouds out there, and we do have a bit of patchy fog, especially down in the southern part of our area, down towards Sydney and Bellefontaine. But it's possible everywhere, so do just be a little bit extra careful this morning. Otherwise, satellite and radar does show lots of clouds, and as we go through the day today, we do expect to see this cloud coverage continue. In fact, if anything, we're going to see them lower and thicken through the daytime hours. Now, as we zoom out in terms of rain, we find nothing to the east. Now, and off to the west, we don't find anything yet, but we do see lower and thicker clouds here across parts of Missouri and western Illinois, and that is on our way. And by later on tonight, and especially tomorrow morning, we could be dealing with some showers and maybe even a thunderstorm or two. So let's show you our Skycast here as we work our way through your Tuesday. By 10:30, we'll see temperatures in the middle 40s, but we're going to be seeing that south wind as well, which will boost our numbers today into the lower to middle 50s for a high very similar to yesterday, just a bit more in the way of clouds than what we had for your Monday. Then as we work our way through the overnight hours tonight, temperatures go nowhere as we have a warm front moving through as well as a south wind and cloudy skies. So our low tonight likely only going to be in the upper 40s, and we are going to see scattered showers developing. Here's midnight, a line of rain according to this model, and then by tomorrow morning when you're with us for First Edition, we're going to be talking about showers moving through the area and maybe even some rumbles of thunder through the morning hours tomorrow as we do have that frontal system moving through. And then watch what happens to temperatures tomorrow afternoon as that front clears and we get some sunshine out here. We're talking mid-60s for highs tomorrow. So certainly one of the warmer days that we've had in a very, very long time. In fact, tomorrow, the record high is 67. I think we're going to fall a little bit short of that, but still a very mild day expected. And then we look to Thursday, and we have our first threat of severe weather of the year. It's not a big one, but a level 1 risk is out there for places Wapakoneta, Salina on south. So do keep that in the back of your mind, although, again, this isn't a huge threat. It's not zero, so we'll certainly be keeping a close eye on that as we head further into the week. 54 degrees is the high for your day today, with morning fog, and any of that, though, will burn off, and we'll be left with just mostly cloudy skies this afternoon. 48 your low tonight. Very warm night, but that chance of some scattered showers and maybe even some thunderstorms tomorrow morning. And as we go to your extended forecast here, the better chance of rain is Thursday night into Friday, and that is that risk of severe weather that we're keeping an eye on. Otherwise, we drop temperatures through the weekend and maybe even get to return to snow flurries by next week as temperatures return to more normal values.